then repeat again. So we've got A, B, C, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, F and G. We're going to number at the top. Now what we're interested in, we're going to take from C to C. I've wrote out here, C to C, put a bracket around the repeated C. This is just the alphabetical. So I've just put the abbreviated word alpha there. Here I've wrote the major formula, so we can convert this alphabetical C to C through this formula. I've drawn two horizontal lines here. We'll start here by putting verticals. Full vertical, two small ones, another full one, then three. Then another full one, and then two. Then a full one, and then three. And so on. It just repeats like that. Then I'm going to move them into T's, like this. Turn them into T's, all the way around, across. And from here, two verticals to join them up. I'll do that the whole way along, and then I'm going to just shade these in. As you can see, the completed piano diagram. We're going to do the tone, tone, semitone. We'll start on this C here. So from there, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. You can see the spots, these where I've landed, and it produces C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That is one octave. So I've brought this down here. C to C is a key scale of C, or the key of C major. And if you press these, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, it'll produce the sound of the solfege. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And the do is just repeating another C an octave higher. Let's find the relative minor scale, known as the A minor, and how it relates to this C, and how we can use it for the A minor pentatonic scale soloing. I've wrote out the key scale of C major twice here, C to C there, and again to there. Underneath, I've wrote the major scale twice. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, that's one. And then again, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. What we're interested in is here. From that A to this A. Now, you know you've got enough because you've got A there, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're repeating the A. Put a circle around that one. And just count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't incorporate the 8. It goes between the letters. And as you can see, the pattern is different this time. It's tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. And that's the natural minor formula. I've brought this A to A down here and numbered it. So we've got the A natural minor scale there, numbers here, and what we're interested in is the first, third, fourth, fifth, there. So that ends up being A, C, D, E, G. What we've ended up with are these 5 notes, A, C, D, E, G. And they are the 5 notes of the A minor penta. Penta means 5, like pentagon. Tonic means tone, sound, scale. A minor pentatonic scale, the 5 notes. I brought out here, using the 5 notes A, C, D, E, G of the minor pentatonic scale to do a solo while somebody else is strumming the chords from the C major scale. So strum the 1, 4, 5, 6 chords to a 4/4 time in moderate speed of the C major scale. Now what that is, it's the C chord, the F chord, the G chord and the A minor. And the moderate speed to a 4/4 time is strum like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are 4 here. So you strum the chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to F. 1, 2, and so forth. Last one on the C, just do 1 strum down all the 6 strings called a rake, just to finish it off. That G wants to resolve to the C. Listen to that. It kind of like finishes it off. I've drawn 6 horizontal lines and I'm just putting in some verticals to represent the guitar fretboard. Just doing these verticals freehand. Now these represent, I want this, the nut areas up here, we want this to be fret 4, 5, 6 and so on. I've wrote the strings in here, 1 to 6, 1 being the thinnest, and E, B, G, D, A, E. Easter bunny gets drunk at Easter, or the other way around. Elephants and dogs grow big ears. I wrote here the 5 notes of the A minor pentatonic scale. I'm going to call this the first position for the A minor pentatonic scale. It's a pattern. It's a pattern. I'll write the notes in as well. I just want you to look at the pattern when I've finished. Here we have. There's the first one on your 6th string. That's your A, C, D, E, G. Then we're back to another A. So I've done these in squares. These are the roots, the starting points of that A minor pentatonic scale. So A, C, D, E, G, then we're back to another A. In fact, let's put some circles around these A's, and then another C there. Now, what you have with this pattern, if somebody's strumming along with these chords at moderate tempo, you can practice soloing by picking any of these notes you want. Generally stick around the higher register, the thinner string, the higher pitch, and just experiment by plucking the string, bending the string, using vibrato, and later on maybe sliding back and forth between these points. For people using classical music notation, I've drawn up the 5 lines here. Remember, they're not strings. Let's just do the treble clef, so it's like the right hand. And we've just chosen this register here to express the 5 notes of A, C, D, E, and then just above there, it's like a little oval at a slant. Now you can put the lines if you really want. There we go. So anyway, I hope this lesson has helped start off from producing the C major scale, repeating it, extracting the A minor scale, and turning that into an A minor pentatonic 5 notes, and showing how somebody can play by strumming chords from the C major scale and soloing over with A minor pentatonic notes. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.